Hello.
Hello.
Looks like you got a package from Grandma Ty and Grandpa Don and Nani. Open it up.
What's the face?
Money? How many monies?
2 money. $1 and $1.
Cool. Huh?
$1. Thank you.
Say it to the camera.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's read the letter.
$1.
Hold on, that's not all you got. It says, Dear Devin and Trevor, Happy Thanksgiving. I thought you boys might like to color and draw your very own Thanksgiving cards this year. Hope to see you both very soon at Grandma Ty's house and we can play and have a good time. We'll have to go visit Taxi, Cookie, Little Bit, and Half Horn. Love you very much. Grandma Ty, Grandpa Don, and Nani. Cool. What is that?
I'm Jabba the Hutt.
Cool.
I'm Jabba the Hutt. Mommy,
You can make your own Thanksgiving card.
Mommy.
Okay, what do we say?
Thank you.